Hey there, chicken enthusiasts. Happy homesteader here. So, you're thinking about getting chickens, or maybe you already have some. Hold up. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 mistakes new chicken owners make and how to avoid them. Avoiding these pitfalls will save you frustration, money, and even heartbreak. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Choosing the wrong breed for your climate and lifestyle. Not all chickens are created equal. Some, like silkies, are adorable but don't lay many eggs. Others, like leghorns, are egg-laying machines but can be flighty. And if you live in a cold area, you'll want a hardy breed like Orpingtons or Wyandottes. Research your breeds before buying. Think about your climate, space, and egg needs before you bring those fluffy little chicks home. Next up, mistake number 2, a bad coop setup. A coop that's too small, poorly ventilated, or not predator-proof is a disaster. You need space, at least 3 to 4 square feet per bird inside the coop, and 8 to 10 square feet in the run. Good ventilation. Chickens can't handle humidity, so good airflow is a must. And predator protection. Raccoons, hawks, and foxes love a free chicken dinner. Use wire mesh instead of chicken wire, it's much stronger. Mistake number 3, feeding them wrong. Think chickens can eat anything? Think again. A lot of new owners either feed too many treats like scratch grains and table scraps, or forget essential nutrients. Avoid moldy food, salty snacks, and raw beans. These can be toxic. Provide a balanced diet with high-quality layer feed, plus grit for digestion and oyster shell for strong eggshells. Mistake number 4, not keeping a routine. Chickens thrive on routine. Skipping daily care can lead to dirty water, uncollected eggs, and sick birds. Pro tip: set a daily checklist. Fresh food and water, coop cleaning, quick spot clean daily, deep clean monthly. And check for health issues like mites or respiratory problems. And finally, mistake number 5, not preparing for winter or summer. Chickens handle cold better than heat, but both can be dangerous. Winter tips: use deep bedding, add a windbreak, and ensure water doesn't freeze. Summer tips: provide shade, fresh water, and maybe even a frozen watermelon treat. One big mistake: using a heat lamp in winter. These are major fire hazards. Instead, let chickens fluff up their feathers and stay warm naturally. There you have it, the top 5 mistakes new chicken owners make. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more chicken raising tips. Got a question? Drop it in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy homesteading.